My name is Helen. Donald Trump, why you not leave our Abai? What you think? You think we are in coma? You play the game on our Abai? You know, my father every month cut money for Gudub. Don't be ልል ነበረ ግን ጥሩ ቃል ዲፕሎማሲ አይጠቅምም what I said to you but Donald Trump stop it you must stop it what you do or I say poo you look what happened on America this is my last word to you and to Egyptia. Yes, you know, Ethiopians not talk too much about war. Just remember Italia, how we out Italian from our country. We just take it, out it. Now they cried it. Nobody listen it. Just they cried it or Google. Yeah, Wikipedia, only this. This is our history. Don't forget. The first we are honor on Italia. One day we win on America also. Why not? You remember in Somalia, your military was